Firstring revision technique. Firstring provides a friendly and informal tutoring service. We find that tutorials always work best when the student is comfortable and relaxed. The sessions themselves will be completely tailored to what you need to work on. Firstring is happy to work on anything from essay writing to correcting grammar to helping with analytical methods. If you are studying a particular text that you need help with, then by letting us know beforehand, we can make sure we have read it thoroughly and will therefore be fully equipped to help you study it.
Hi, my name is Ansaji and I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global online tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grades, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring for giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights. Bye!
The main thing which it helped me with is to understand that in the question itself there are the key words in which you have to use in the answer. So basically, if the question is like, what is photosynthesis, you have to write in 4 sentences, photosynthesis is, and then what photosynthesis is. So this was a great leap for me, and basically I'm so happy that I managed to do this. Not only this, my time management skills were poor before I joined Firstring.
My name is Boaz Paul and I live in Liverpool. I'm now in year 6 and I have joined Firstring recently for a grammar school exam preparation. All the teachers in Firstring are super kind and they are very helpful. They will help you to clear all your doubts, and I strongly recommend Firstring Global Online Tuition to any student. And if you need help in any subjects in school, Firstring Global Online Tuition should be your #1 choice. Bye. Thank you.